In a world of magic and wonder, Eldrin, a wizened wizard, stands at the precipice of destiny. The mystical forest of Evershade.
Hey everyone, today I am thrilled to show you how to create cinematic movie trailer using AI. Are you interested in understanding the process of crafting a cinematic movie trailer like the one you have just seen? If so, stick with us until the end, as we will guide you through the surprisingly straightforward steps of creating your very own cinematic movie trailer. Before we jump into it, if you want to stay up to date on the latest AI tools and improve your skills in using them, this channel is a perfect fit for you. We consistently provide updates and offer user-friendly tutorials on optimizing AI tools in today's context. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support empowers us to continue producing educational videos like this one. So, let's get started now. The initial step in the cinematic movie trailer creation process involves crafting a script, which serves as the foundation for the trailer's narrative. To accomplish this, I am utilizing ChatGPT, a versatile tool. We have tasked ChatGPT with generating a script for a fictional trailer, one with a theme centered on wizards, similar to the style of the Harry Potter's films. Additionally, we have requested image prompts for each scene. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT has provided us with a script that eloquently establishes the backdrop for a cinematic trailer storyline. To streamline the process, I have separated the image prompts from the narrator's text, a practice that will prove immensely helpful in the later stages of the project, simplifying the process of copying and pasting content. To begin, the first step in achieving a cinematic outcome involves starting with a cinematic image as your foundation. When it comes to generating cinematic images, my preference leans towards Leonardo AI, as it consistently delivers impressive results. This recommendation is especially pertinent for those who are considering the free account option, given that platforms like Midjourney can be quite expensive. If you are simply creating these images for enjoyment or experimentation, Leonardo AI proves to be an excellent choice. I won't delve into all the intricate details of generating cinematic images within Leonardo AI in this discussion. For more comprehensive instructions, you can refer to our video titled How to Create Cinematic AI Images Without Using Midjourney. In that video, you will discover a step-by-step guide on producing cinematic images. However, our approach here involves using image prompts provided by ChatGPT while incorporating the techniques we have covered in my other video to impart a cinematic quality, such as including the director's name and other elements. This method helps to imbue your images with a cinematic style that aligns with your creative vision. After creating the desired images, simply repeat the process. Now, let us animate those generated images. We explored a website known as Pika Labs and utilized it to generate a video from these images. To transform an image into a video through Pika Labs, head to one of the generate channels located on the left side. Input /create and you are ready to guide your scene. To begin, select the image option and then simply drag and drop your cinematic image into the window. You can also enhance its cinematic quality by adding some prompts and then press enter. After it is finished, you can download the video to your computer. Just continue this process for the remaining images. Of course, we need to include a voiceover in our video. And for this purpose, we turn to ElevenLabs. You can pick a suitable voice from their library. All you have to do is copy and paste the script generated by ChatGPT. Select Generate, and then click the download button. The AI will then generate the audio file for you. We will also input music to our video that complements the style of our cinematic movie trailer and incorporate sound effects later during the video editing phase. To add music to our video, we rely on Pixabay since it provides royalty-free music. You can choose music that aligns with the theme of your cinematic movie trailer. And if you have specific search criteria, you can perform a search to find the perfect track. Once you have made your selection, simply click on the download button, and then the music will be quickly downloaded to your computer. For video editing, we utilize CapCut. To start, select an empty video section and upload all the videos created with Pika Labs along with the audio file. Arrange the video scenes in the order you desire for your short film. Adjust the playback speed according to your preferences and remove any blurriness to give the video a more professional look. Repeat this process for all the scenes in your video. Once you have finished editing, you can preview your video and then export it with your chosen resolution and quality. So, there you have it, a complete cinematic movie trailer created with the assistance of AI technology. It is as straightforward as that, requiring minimal effort, no need for a camera or actors, and now you can craft your very own cinematic movie trailer. Isn't it remarkable how AI can achieve so much in under an hour? I am genuinely excited to hear your feedback on this. Are you as amazed as I am at how effortlessly your cinematic images transform into a cinematic movie trailer with minimal effort? I encourage you to give these platforms a try and explore the creative possibilities they offer. After you have experimented with them, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I am eagerly anticipating your input. Your insights and experiences may be valuable to others who are interested in trying it out as well.
In a world of magic and wonder, Eldrin, a wizened wizard, stands at the precipice of destiny. The mystical forest of Evershade, bathed in the ethereal light of a glowing crystal orb, beckons him as a blood-red lunar eclipse darkens the sky. With secrets, creatures, and a long-lost incantation waiting to be discovered, Eldrin harnesses the forest's awakened energy, culminating in a resounding incantation that reveals the universe's deepest secrets. With newfound power and wisdom, he embarks on a journey that will forever alter the course of magic itself. The Enchanted Eclipse, a tale of mystic power and timeless wisdom, coming soon.
Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.